guys, my name is Tiffany Maganda. I'm a nurse. Okay. Jason, give the patient cough drops from the supply room. Give the patient water cup. Where's the water cup? Okay, I know. I need to be hurried. Water cup is coming. Incoming. Look at this. This is look like a infused water. You didn't. Fine. This is a water cup for you. Well, I'm a pediatric nurse. Ah! Oh no! Oh no, what happened to the patient? Ah! Oh no! Oh no! CPR! No! Where were the VIPs? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm a medic! Selling plush! Wow! Selling flush! Oh no! What should I do? Start CPR! I'll go back! CPR! Wow, you are a medic! Sorry! Yes! Yes, he was safe! Need to king bag! Hang! Wait a minute. Yay! Yay! Wait a second. Wow, this doctor was Christopher Z. Hey, wait, don't go. You need the special treatment. Because he was a flu. No, no!